Well,
Y costilla, barbecue.
let's do chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah. You have a nice setup.
Este es chicken.
Yeah.
Fileta. ¿Quieres?
No, it's good. This is good.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
We just landed.
Just landed. Baggage claim agad tayo.
Immigration.
Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa Mexico. Oh yan, Mexico. So, nandito tayo.
Sa magandang camera.
Video.
Ako na, take it off. Take it off.
Dito tayo sa Mexico. Parang Pilipinas lang talaga yung Mexico. Alam mo, ang Pilipinas pa, nasa Pilipinas lang kami. Okay, papunta na tayo sa...
Take it off, man. Take it off. Dito, ito yung sweater mo.
Sa...
Tinan mo.
Resort.
Ay, hindi. Okay.
Sa transport na tayo. Sa people. Okay. So, very, very hungry. Gutom na tayo.
At mainit.
Mainit. Kaya pawiso na ako. So,
Init na ako. Ayan. Hi. Hello. So, hi guys. Dito tayo sa room. So, ito ang washroom. Ito yung washroom nila. Ito, may standing shower. May ito usual. Yun. Tapos dito, ayan, dalawang bedroom. Ito yung meron sila. Ano ito?
is
Meron sila, may water, may ano rin, may drinks.
yung kaya, balcony. Oh, we have a balcony.
Tingnan mo ka dito, Isik.
Can I go out?
But be careful,
Be careful. Ayan,
don't play on
dinadaan
that.
sila. Oh. Ayan.
It's too high.
Yeah.
Welcome, Viva Mexico!
Daddy.
Yeah. So, nandito tayo sa Sunset
Sunset
Royal. And makikita nyo today ay very tiring ang peg natin dahil pagoda lang tayo. And maganda. Sa video na to, makikita nyo ang pag-ikot natin sa Sunset Royal, Sunset Marina, and kung saan man tayo pupunta. But today is the first day, kakadating na natin. So before we continue this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and of course, let's get it on, baby. Get it on.
Take your time, you never know. Just for fun, you need to buy.
Yeah, we'll bring them around first. Okay,
Do you
thank
have my swimming
Yes.
clothes?
What's that? Oh, I don't smoke.
Tequila.
I don't drink too.
Oh my God.
I know. She brought me here. I don't know why. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa sa Cancun, Mexico. And kakadating na natin few hours ago. Kumain lang tayo. And now, nandito tayo sa beach. Oh, look at that. And very, very nice. And Kuya is very excited, right? Are you excited, Kuya? You see? Hey man, how about you, man? Are you excited? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You excited, man? Okay. Nasaan si Kuya? Here, easy. Oh, yeah. Oh. Alright, alright. Oh.
Wait, they have a mix of volleyball and soccer.
Yes. Wala. I need to find your shirt pa. One night theater. Look, oh. Yeah, oh, nice. Let's see what they have. Yeah. Beautiful.
My friends, welcome.
Hey!
Jackson tonight, show.
Oh, nice!
Souvenirs, Magandang Presyo.
Wow!
3 for $10.
Oh, okay.
Mix and match. 3 souvenirs for only $10.
Oh.
And we have nice souvenirs, magnets, keychain.
Is it a
3 for $10.
Yeah, look at it.
Is like a lookalike gonna done?
Yes.
Because the real one is dead.
Yeah, I know. Oh, wow. This is
3
nice.
for only $10.
$10.
Magandang Presyo.
Yeah.
3 souvenirs.
Wow.
But if you buy right now, I'll give you 1 free. Uno libre.
Uno
You
libre.
can get, mira, magnets, shark.
Baby shark.
Yes, 3 for $10 and you can get 1 free right now.
What was your name, friend?
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh my God. There you go. Are you kidding me? You're famous.
Very famous.
Oh my God.
Is he famous in Mexico?
I got the monkeys.
Yeah. Oh, they're
When you
mangoes too.
squeeze the monkey, scream.
Yes. Until what time are you here? Until what time are you here?
After the show beginning 8:30
Okay.
and finish like 9:30.
Oh, 1
It's
hour.
only 1
only.
hour, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Come back later, I'll be here. I'm finished to set up in 10 minutes.
Okay.
You wanna see all the souvenirs that we
Okay
got.
then.
Alright.
We'll go check this out first. Then we'll
Perfecto.
go. We'll be back.
Yeah, come back after dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, after dinner.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa sa show. So, naka-mute ang music dahil baka makapiright tayo dito. Pero, of course, before ng show, maganda tayong magkakain. So, kinukuhanan natin si AC ng pagkain niya ng watermelon. Si Eman, yung prutas niya. Then, gusto ata ni AC dito ng ng donut and croissant. And of course, first night natin dito. And ang show natin dito ay Michael Jackson. So, hindi ko papakita yung video ng Michael Jackson na show dahil makaka-copyright tayo. Pero yung pagkain na dito ay napakasarap. Napakasarap ng pagkain. Nakadalawang ulit ata ako dito. Then ito, lambot ng chicken nila, pork chop, tsaka ribs. Masarap yung meat nila din dyan. Ang lupit to. Charcoal yan, no? Ayan, no? Magaling. Sarap. Ayan, tas may mga bread sila. So, ayan, tas mga sweets. May donut sila. May mga sweets si Michael Jackson. Ayan, so kumakain na sila. Then, meron tayong nakatabi na taga US, which is napaka-nice nila. And sabi nga namin, taga Canada kami. Hindi daw nila kaya yung lamig dito sa Canada. So, ayan, titikman natin yung soup. May soup sila dyan na seafood soup. Masarap siya. Ayan, simulan na naman tayo kumain. Then, ayun, nag-stay lang kami ata dito ng ilang minutes. Mga 45 minutes lang. Dahil si Eman antok na. Pero nung umalis kami, hinahanap-hanap ni Eman yung show dahil nga nagustuhan niya yung Michael Jackson. Si AZ naman, nagustuhan din niya yung Michael Jackson actually. Nagulat lang siya dun sa paapoy nila pero gustong-gusto niya yung kanta ni Michael Jackson, lalo na yung Beat It. Then si Eman naman yung thriller na kanta, yung gusto niya ulit-ulitin. Ayan makakain naman ako dito. Look nagpa-room service pa
Mommy, what's the pizza?
Room service.
Pizza, pepperoni.
Wow.
Halika
Room
na,
service,
AC, let's go eat.
Wow, room service ni Emmanuel.
Mommy, what's that?
Chocolate, ayun na.
There, right there. We found it.
Dad, record.
Yeah, I told you.
Right there.
Right there. Oh, right there. Oh, wait. Jan.
Look,
Aso.
they signed
Aso.
it.